Have a look at this, everyone. It's Captain Feathersword in an outback bath. Let's all say ahoy there, Captain Feathersword. Ahoy there, Captain Feathersword.
Ahoy there, me hearties.
Captain, everybody's wondering, I'm wondering, we're all wondering, what are you doing in an outback bath?
Oh, Anthony, I'm pretending to be in the ocean with my pretend dolphin friends.
Pretend dolphin friends.
Oh, yeah, it's great fun, Anthony. But you got to be careful when you're in the pretend ocean.
Oh, yes.
Because sometimes there can be pretend storms.
Pretend storms.
Oh, yes, indeed. There's pretend wind.
Oh, yeah, Captain. The old pretend wind.
Oh, yes, Anthony. There's also pretend rain.
Oh, yeah, pretend rain. Rain. It's here. Come.
Pretend rain.
Captain, it's raining on me.
Oh, wow, Anthony. If you think the rain is very real, wait till you see the pretend tidal wave.
Pretend tidal wave?
Yeah. Wow.
That pretend tidal wave was pretty real.
Oh, Anthony, that was the best wave I've ever seen. Why don't we all go swimming with my friends the dolphins?
Great idea.
A dolphin's life just swimming in the ocean. Whoa, I'd like to swim with you. A dolphin's life just swimming in the ocean. Wow! Oh, I'd love to swim with you. Playing in the ocean waves, jumping up to splash all day. A dolphin dance near the ocean floor. What a life, who could ask for more? A dolphin's life just swimming in the ocean. Oh, my dolphin friend, I'd love to swim with you. Whoa! Sleek grey skin and a bottle nose. Watch how fast my tail fin goes. An underwater race we swim. Oh, I wish I had a dorsal fin. A dolphin's life just swimming in the ocean. Playing in the ocean wave, jumping up to splash all day. A dolphin dance near the ocean floor. What a life, who could ask for more? A dolphin's life just swimming in the ocean. Oh, of course, I'd love to swim with you. Whoa! A dolphin's life just swimming in the ocean. Oh, of course, my dolphin friend. Oh, look at him splashing through the waves. Whoa! A dolphin's life just swimming in the ocean. Oh, I'm gonna try that now myself. Wow! Oh, I'm so wet now.